Welcome everyone to our second test. Well, we're trying to replicate the actual conditions shown on the manufacturer of these particular tachyon cells. This a photograph of their experiments completed showing how tachyons empowered actual grapes can be found on our web page, which is listed below this video. Please go to that web page, which is our experiment and product testing page, something you will want to go to frequently, and you'll get further information. You'll see the actual original photograph that the company claims their tests showed. Now, we have the same setup here. There are, I believe, 7 or 8 grapes here, and they're exactly from the same vine, the same grapes, the same situation. They're in the same type of plates. The only thing different here is going to be the actual tachyon cell. Now, this is a 70 millimeter, 75 millimeter tachyon cell. Beveled, and the beveled is where the energy comes out per the manufacturer. And to replicate how they show it, which is the actual tachyon cell projecting energy onto the grapes in front of it, where it shows that the decay is dramatically reduced. Now we'll see if this can be replicated. This is a very simple, easy. Here's the control grapes. They all come from the same, as I said, same vine, same package, same everything. They're in the exact same conditions. The only thing that's different here about the two samples is one has that tachyon cell behind it projecting energy. This is the first day. We will see exactly what happens, as we'll check back as soon as we really show some sort of change in the grapes. This could be in a few days or a week, and we're going to keep things going here to show the radical difference, if there is any, between these. For those that want further explanations, where I go into a greater talk about this experiment and the type of critical research that we all have to do in these alternative scientific products, which there's so many on the market, we have to be very careful with all these. Are we being sold placebos, bills of goods? Are we just feeling happy that we found something alternative and different and chuckle to ourselves that we're beating society and their science? Or is there something really to all this which needs to be developed? If tachyons can assist in major empowerment of agriculture, your biophysical energies, well, we need to be using these products. But nobody ever tests them. Well, let's not say nobody. Always the guild is testing, as we've done for 30 years now, to test the occult sciences, to investigate and research subtle energy products, and we continue to do so, not just sell products, but we are a teaching and research organization. Make sure you follow the link below, get more information on this experiment and the guild itself.